Welcome to the Sell Smarter podcast. Every week, we give you 5 big insights and strategies so you can sell smarter. Sell Smarter is brought to you every week by the sales and marketing research experts at salesfuel.com. Be prepared to be brilliant with Sales Fuel. In this week's show, we're diving into the world of sales and marketing with a splash of wisdom and a dash of humor. First up, we're exploring how to keep the love alive with your long-term sales clients. Then, we'll uncover those sneaky red flags in sales that you might be missing. For all you marketers out there, we're chatting about why consumer insight research is your best friend for smarter decisions. Plus, we'll recap our enlightening chat with Laura Nguyen on sabbaticals and career breaks. And for the team leaders and execs, we've got the scoop on what to look for when hiring salespeople. So grab your favorite beverage, get comfy, and let's get started. Here's this week's first strategy. Let's discuss maintaining long-term sales relationships. First up, it's all about consultative selling. Think of yourself as a student of your client's industry. By thoroughly researching their business objectives and pain points, you can offer tailored solutions that add real value. This isn't just about pushing products. It's about solving problems and delivering on promises. Next, let's talk about building trust and credibility. Become a trusted advisor by demonstrating expertise and a genuine commitment to your client's success. Ask thoughtful questions and actively listen to uncover your client's needs and challenges. This approach not only strengthens loyalty but also promotes advocacy. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of personalized attention. Engage in collaborative brainstorming with your clients to create solutions that truly resonate with them. This sense of ownership fosters trust and promises buy-in. Remember, long-term success isn't just about sales. It's about building lasting relationships. You've got this. Read more about this on our blog at salesfuel.com/blog. Next up, we go over the world of sales red flags. Yep, just like in dating, there are warning signs in sales that scream, run away. First, if the numbers don't add up, it's a no-go. No amount of wishful thinking will fix a deal that doesn't make financial sense. If the payment terms are dragging your cash flow down, or the margins are thinner than a slice of avocado toast, it's time to reconsider. Remember, small concessions can snowball into big problems over time. Another red flag? Moving goalposts. If your prospect keeps changing terms or delaying decisions, it's a sign to either dig deeper or walk away. As Paul Patrone suggests, take control of the situation. Unreliable buyers can be a real drag on your business. And finally, trust your gut. If something feels off, it probably is. Your intuition is like your personal sales GPS, guiding you away from potential disasters. No deal is worth your discomfort, whether it's due to disrespectful behavior or vague answers. So keep an eye out for these red flags and protect your business by focusing on deals that truly align with your goals. Download the free Sales Fuel mobile app today to get new sales tips and customer insights like this every day.
In B2B sales, credibility is everything. 71% of buyers research you online before even engaging. What does your digital presence say about you? With Sales Cred, you get the digital cred check to assess and improve your online image, AI-powered insights to stay top of mind with prospects, and real-time business intelligence to prep for meetings in seconds. Build trust, win more deals. Get a demo and 2 free profiles at salescred.com today. That's salescred.com.
If you're into marketing, let's dive into the fascinating topic of consumer attention. Picture this. You're at a sporting event, or maybe deep into a video game. You're focused, right? That's exactly where marketers want to catch you. McKinsey analysts found that when consumers are highly focused, like at a sporting event, their spending increases by 17% with just a 10% boost in focus. That's some serious ROI potential. Now, here's a nugget for you. It's not just about where you place your ads, but how you align them with your audience's interests and motivations. Think about it. Ads in video games or digital books can be gold mines because they tap into highly engaged audiences. So, if you're planning your next campaign, consider these under-the-radar media formats. And let's not forget about the power of educational content. When people are learning something new, they're laser-focused. Ads in this space can capture attention like nothing else. So next time you're strategizing, remember, it's all about quality over quantity when it comes to consumer attention. In a nutshell, understanding where and how your audience focuses can transform your marketing game. Keep it smart, keep it focused, and you'll see the results. Want more marketing research and insights about your target customer? Check out admall.com. It's the #1 business intelligence tool for media agencies in the US. The next strategy comes from our Manage Smarter podcast with hosts Audrey Strong and C. Lee Smith. In this episode, they talk about career breaks with Laura Nguyen, a marketing executive and author of Career Break Compass. Now, if you're like me, the idea of taking a career break might sound a bit terrifying, but Laura's insights are a game changer. First up, did you know that about 17% of organizations globally offer formal sabbatical programs? That's according to Laura, and it's a great reminder to check your benefits and see if a sabbatical might be an option for you. Imagine taking a break and coming back refreshed and ready to conquer the world. Another takeaway is the importance of using breaks strategically. Laura suggests using the first few weeks of a break to recharge and rebuild confidence. It's not just about stepping away, it's about coming back stronger. So if you're feeling the burnout blues, remember, a well-planned break could be your secret weapon to a more balanced life. Hear more at managesmarter.com or wherever you get your podcasts.
You need sales to make your business grow, but how can you do that if you hire a bad salesperson? Get to know TeamTrait.com. TeamTrait is a behavioral assessment tool that helps you hire top-performing sales talent. It reveals over 150 professional mindset traits like resilience, problem-solving skills, and customer empathy. Our forfeit simulator can help predict who will thrive in your unique sales environment, whether it's healthcare, logistics, or financial services. Stop guessing and start winning. Ask your HR or hiring manager to visit TeamTrait.com today for a demo and 2 free profiles.
Our final strategy is for all the future leaders, sales managers, and top executives. Let's discuss hiring the perfect salesperson. First up, outline your business needs. Whether you're launching a new product or replacing a star account manager, knowing exactly what your business requires is crucial. This clarity helps you pinpoint the type of sales professional who will thrive in your environment. Next, let's talk job descriptions. It's tempting to copy-paste from industry standards, but resist. Tailor your job description to reflect the daily realities of the role. This effort ensures you attract candidates who are not just qualified, but also a great fit for your team. Finally, assessments are your best friend. Before you rush into interviews, use psychometric assessments to gauge a candidate's sales acumen and soft skills. This step provides objective insights and even suggests interview questions tailored to each candidate's profile. So, there you have it. By outlining your needs, crafting precise job descriptions, and leveraging assessments, you're setting the stage for hiring success. Remember, a thoughtful approach today leads to a thriving sales team tomorrow. That's it for this episode of the Sell Smarter podcast from Sales Fuel. Listen next week for 5 more insights and strategies for sales leaders. Sell Smarter is produced by Tyler Welsh and edited by Kathy Crosett. The show is written by C. Lee Smith, Jessica Helinsky, Rachel Cagle, Darby Dahl, and Tim Londergan, and I'm your host, Allison Gray. Sales Fuel and Sell Smarter are registered trademarks of Sales Fuel Incorporated. Copyright 2025, all rights reserved.